Okay guys, really quick one here is going to take less than a minute. What we're going to do is show you how that you can install NVidia packages out of using Miniconda. A lot of the instructions I have for you are to make sure that you install the CUDA, all the CUDA neural network stuff and PyTorch. And so anyway, what you got to do to add it to your Conda packages is just type conda. This is really easy. Config. Okay, we're going to config conda. We're going to type append. We're going to add to the channels the NVidia library. So essentially, these are libraries that hold different packages, and this one's held together in NVidia. Now we're just going to hit this. Now mine's already in there. Okay, so it's yours. Yours will add it. Okay. Then next time you go and you do something like conda install, we're just going to hit that -C, which says to check that certain catalog. We can just type in NVidia, and then when we type in something like CUDA toolkit equals 11.8, splat, it's going to come up and it will work. Otherwise, before you append this won't work because it's going to say, I don't know where to find it. So that's how you do it. Really easy, extra squeezy, and I think that's it. All right, you guys have a good day. We will chat with you later.